When we asked God for help and God heard our cry and came down to help, the way He chose to do so was by sending you to us. Oh, that we may never forget how much we are favored by your presence among us. As much as God entrusted us to you, it is our prayer that God is able to trust us to safeguard this rare treasure in our generation. Your love has been God's reflection for us. There's nothing we can say we lack. You go out of your way to take care of us. Your oneness with Papa is an example to many marriages and an epitome of ministerial excellence. Thank you, Mama, for being a ladder in the natural to the things of the supernatural. Knowing you has assured us that our roots are strong, and so shall our fruits be.
On this special day, we are very grateful to God for your life. So we, your children, and your children's children, all the way from Montreal, Canada, we wish you a very happy birthday.
My name is Apostle Joy Museba. With me here is my lovely wife, Mary Museba. We are the founders of New Creation Life Ministries International, and we are based in Kwekwe, Zimbabwe.
We are here today to celebrate the life of a great woman, a phenomenal woman, an exceptional woman in our mother, Ruth Emmanuel Makandiwa. When we talk about our mother, we are talking of a woman with a big heart. A heart that does not only accommodate an individual, but accommodates all, from families, from societies, from even the nation at large. You wouldn't think that she also has her own family, because when she stretches her love, it goes beyond. The orphans, the widows, they count on her. Even the airborne people, they also depend on her wisdom and her guidance.
It's amazing how selfless she is. She has given her entire life for the cause of others. Who doesn't talk about her who exists in the world? You don't understand if she is a person or a spirit. She is given to solve all problems of all men. And talking about big problems and small problems, she pays 100% attention to our problems.
Our mom is indeed a great teacher. She can touch all facets of our lives, be it business. Look at the family substance. How many people have been groomed through it? And personally, we are beneficiaries of her wisdom through that wing.
It's amazing because finding a helpmate in your wife, you wouldn't expect that she can help you to raise funds that would support the family, the ministry, even your own personal projects. But through the teaching of our mother, I found my wife growing in business and bringing results. And it's just amazing. I couldn't do it on my own to teach her such. And I'm so grateful to my mom.
Even our marriage, we are really thankful to our mother. She has become our manual. She has taught us the way, what is love, what is care, what is respect. And we owe a happy home to her.
It's amazing. We never knew that people can be so much happy, excited and enjoy almost every single day of their life. But we are here to witness that through their teachings and what we have seen them doing, we are enjoying and following their footsteps.
You deserve nothing but the best, Mom.
True.
For the sake of us, your sons and your daughters. On this day, we are here to celebrate your life, Mom. We are here to celebrate you, our prophetess, our teacher, our mother. And we want to wish you a happy birthday, Mom.
A big happy birthday to our mother, Ruth Emmanuel Makandiwa. From all of your daughters at UFIC South Africa Devon Zone, we would like to wish you a happy, blessed birthday. Thank you, Mom, for inspiring thousands of women around the world to do and to be better. Your love, kindness, and compassion towards us teaches us to be better mothers, better wives, better sisters, but most of all, better women. From the bottom of our hearts, we would like to wish you a happy birthday. We love you.
Beautiful,
loving,
patient,
kind,
generous,
elegant,
prayerful,
humble,
business mogul,
philanthropist,
teacher,
mentor,
administrator.
counselor.
That's who you are, Mama.
Good health,
Happiness,
a beautiful long life,
success,
prosperity.
peace.
Mama, these are the things we wish for you on this very special day.
Mama, you're our inspiration, our motivation, our mentor, our mama. And on this special day, we want to wish you a
Happy birthday, Tino Kudai Mama, tunakupenda mama.
Greetings viewers at home, and a special greetings to my dear mother, Prophetess Ruth Makandiwa. Mom, I celebrate you on this special day. You are my inspiration, you are my life coach, you are my motivation, you are giving me motivation to move each and every day. Thank you so much for showing your love and expressing your love towards me. You have realized and seen things that other people are not able to see in my life. I truly celebrate you. Oh, how I wish that even other younger women in Africa may realize that we have a diamond in our continent. And you are that diamond, you are that precious jewel that is in our continent of Africa. We celebrate you, Mom. You are special. Your wisdom is amazing. Your love is even able to cross the borders. We can feel your love. I'm in Cape Town, South Africa, but I'm experiencing your love each and every day. Even if you are quiet, you are not saying anything. Your smile says something. Your movements, they say something. You have taught me to fear God. You have taught me to respect my husband and to serve him well. It is you, Mom, that is always giving me guidance concerning the matters of life. Thank you so much, Mom. I celebrate you. Dino Kupembere, I, Dino Kundai, Ma, long live, and I love you.
I, Pastor Sepi, and my wife would like to wish our mom a happy birthday. Mom, we are forever grateful. Words, they are not enough to express how thankful we are. You have transformed our lives. You have defined our destiny. You have given us direction. You taught us life. We thank you for your teachings, guidance, and mentorship. Your love towards us is out of this world. You have given us shelter, food, and clothing. We are who we are today because of you. Mom, we thank you. We appreciate you. We celebrate you.
We want to thank God for your life, your love. Your love is amazing, Mama. We really want to thank you for loving us.
Happy, happy birthday, Mama. We love you.
Happy birthday, Mama, Prophetess Ruth Makandiwa. My name is Kanipa Akenlabi from Aberdeen, Scotland, the Peace House Church.
Happy birthday, Mama. This is Pastor Akenlabi from the Peace House, Aberdeen. We want to use this opportunity to appreciate you. You are a mother in Israel indeed. Your life and your testimony have taught us many things. You are a leading light to our generation. And we have learned from your conduct, we have learned from your lifestyle, we have learned from you how to lead the flock of God with meekness, how to lead the flock of God with love, and how to lead the flock of God with influence and by example. And we want to thank God for you. And it is our prayer that the Lord himself will continue to uphold you, and your sun will not go down, your moon will not withdraw itself. The Lord himself will continue to be your everlasting light. And we want to wish you many happy returns with greatness. And we want to say we are grateful to God for you and for Baba's life. Thank you very much for always being there. Thank you very much for being a good example to us. Enjoy your birthday, Mama. We love you loads.
Happy birthday, Mama.